Okay, so we'll start with chapter 2 today. So chapter 2 is about base number. Okay, so usually you'll see this base number in your coding or your ASK. Okay, very similar. So sometimes we will use base number in coding or in other purpose, yeah. So base number, okay, if you look at base number, it's different with indices. Indices is a number, a base with power. A number, base number with power on top. So we call it indices. But here, base number, terbalik, okay, the number with the base, a small number at the bottom right. So this is known as base number. Okay. So we have to go back to kindergarten a while. So we have total how many digits we have actually? Is it 9 digits or 10 digits? Out of curiosity, how many digits we have? Is it 9 or 10? Yes, it's 10. Okay, because start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we'll go to 10. 2 digits already. So we have the place value tens. And then sooner or later we have 100. The place value will become hundreds. Okay, so it's easy why we have 10 digits because we have 10 fingers. Correct, we have 10 fingers. So if it's base number 2, okay, if it's base number 2, that means we only have 2 digits. We only have 2 digits, just like the ET. Let's say this is the ET. Okay. ET is like this. Then the finger only got 2 finger. 1, 2. Finger. 1, 2. Okay. Imagine. So base number in base 2. Base 2. 2 meaning we only have 2 digits. So which 2 digits? 0 and 1. Start from 0, 0 and 1. So you won't see 2, then digit 2 in base 2. You won't see 1, 2 in base 2. Never, never. Base 2, you won't see 2. Base 3, you won't see 3. Got the idea? You only got 2 numbers, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the first number, 0, in base 2 also 0. Next number 1 is 1, of course. But if we proceed to write 2, the next one, 2. Just now we already mentioned, number in base 2, we cannot write 2. So it will have extra place value right now at front. It become 1, 0. Okay, it'll become 1, 0. Just like our digit, 10 digits. After 9, then we add a digit in front. So become 10, right? Then proceed, 19, add another digit, 20 like this. So for number in base 2, after 0 is 1. After 1 is 1, 0. I do not read it as 10 because it's not 10. It's 1, 0. So what is the next number? Can you guess? What is the next number? 1, 1. All right. Then the next one, cannot write 2. It's not 1, 2. 1, 0, 0. Correct. Then it proceed. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so it just increase. Okay, so number in base 2, again, you won't see 2. The 2 is not as it. Number in base 4, typo error here, you won't see 4. Okay, so there are only 4 digits. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Base 4 meaning 4 digits only. Start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, no 4, so it become 2, 0. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, what is the next number? 3, 0. Okay, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Next number. 100. Yes, you're right. So you can become the alien already. Or one finger now, two finger, three finger. So you can count already. So base 6 digits. From 0 to 5 only. You won't see 6. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, similar. Base 8, same. All right. So now we want to do, okay. We want to do addition first. Yes, skip a little bit. Let's try addition. Okay, we go back to the kindergarten level. Okay, if 15 plus 27, so how you count? 5 plus 7 is 12, so you naikkan 1, then here write 2, so the answer is 42. So this is in base 10, what we have learned previously. So same thing, addition. What about now in base 6? Okay, so we have 5 in base 6 plus 33 4 base 6. Hey, base 6 means 0 to 1 only. So 5 plus 4 now is 9. We cannot write 9. Right now, we cannot write 9. So how should we add? 5 plus 4, supposing is 9. But now it's only base 6. So we use 6. Oh, sorry, 9 minus 6. Balance is 3. So we write 3 here. Then put 1 on top. It's just like, 10, 12 like this. You got the idea? Why 5 plus 4 is become 1, 3? Is it okay? Slowly, maybe it's too fast. You see, base 6, 6 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and proceed, right? So 5 plus 4, supposing is 9. 5 plus another 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 1, 3 because now it's in base 6. We cannot count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Until 5, it will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So if it's 5 plus 4, supposedly it's 9. Okay. To make it easier, we use 9 minus 6 because base 6. So we have balance 3 here. So the previous 6, we bring up as 1. So it become 1, 3. So now you got the idea? Why 1, 3? Okay, great. So we proceed. Now 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9 also. It's also 9. But in base 6, we have to write 1, 3. So this is the answer. If 5, 5 in base 6 plus 3, 4 in base 6, you will get 1, 3, 3 in base 6. That's the idea. Okay. Next, we'll try few question here in different base. Yeah, so you have to learn from base 2 to base 10. Base 10 you know already. Yeah, so base 9. Okay. So what about this in base 5? 4 plus 4, supposedly is 8. But we cannot write 8, it's base 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so 4 plus 4 in base 5 will be 1, 3. Yes, you got it. Okay. Fast learner. Yes, it's 1, 3. So next, 1 plus 3 plus 1 is in base 5. Yeah, it's 10. Oh, no, it's not 10. It's 1, 0. It's 1, 0. Yeah, because we cannot write 5. So automatically, it will become 1, 0. So 3, 4 in base 5 plus 1, 4 in base 5 is 1, 0, 3 in base 5. Okay, so if it's not in base 10, okay, you look on the first column here. If it's not base 10, then we have to write the base at the bottom. If it's not written, then we can understand that is in base 10. If it's in other base, we have to write out the base, yeah? Okay, next, harder. Harder, let's go for base 2 because you only have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 1, base 2 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. What about this? 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Okay, plus 1, still 1, 0. 1 plus 1, still 1, 0. Okay, so what's the next number? 1, 1. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1 equals to 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, one last, you try. Okay, this one you try. You can annotate on my screen, right? If I'm not mistaken. You can write on my screen, right? Can you? You want to try? Try to scribble? See if you can. Okay, can. All right, so just let me write the questions first, yeah? Okay, your turn. Correct. Can you help me to insert the base 8? Perfect. Okay? Yes. Just like this only. So that's the addition part. So addition part, you just exclude. Okay, if it's you get the answer is 13. So 13 minus the base 8. So you got balance 5 right at the bottom. Then you bring up the 1. Yeah. Just like that only. It's not that hard. So that's for addition. Okay. So next, you will similar scenario if we want to do subtraction minus. Similar, yeah, yeah. Okay, similar only. Similar scenario here, minus. Okay, so we always start with base 10 so that we got the idea. Yeah, so we got the idea how to do the minus part, subtraction part. So if it's 100, no, yeah, 90 lah. Let's say 90 minus 54, base 10. If there's no base number, then it's understood it's in base 10. 0 cannot minus 4. So you gonna pinjam. Pinjam. Why we write 10? Because this is in base 10. So once you pinjam, you got 10. Minus 9 minus 1 is 8, right? Okay, so you got 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. Similar concept if you want to try base 4 now. Okay, so 30 in base 4 minus 1, 2 in base 4. Or 1, 3 lah. Okay, similar case. 0 cannot minus 3. You kena pinjam. But once you pinjam, since now you got base 4, so you got 4 only. So you write there 4. Then only you proceed. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, that's the idea. So once you pinjam, you got to remember, okay, the base is 4 only, so you got 4 only, no extra. Okay, so it's not your kawan, no extra. Okay, so here next, say we have another number. Okay, we go for 3 digits now. Okay, 3, 1, 4 in base 8 minus 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, 4 is not enough to minus 7, so you pinjam. So you plus 8. You got 8 only. So 8 plus 4, initial already got 4, man. So you plus 8, total 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So now 0 again cannot minus 7, pinjam again. So you got only 8. So 8 minus 7, 1, 2, base 8. That's the idea. So once you understand the concept of addition, subtraction also the same. When you pinjam, you got the base only. No extra, remember. Okay. Now your turn again. Let's try base 7. 7 not yet, right? 7. Okay, what about here 5, here 3, 7, or here 6? 7, 7. Okay, so your turn. Yes, you got it, you got it. Okay, so now you got the concept ready, addition and subtraction. Very easy, not that hard, right? Okay, so we have completed the base number, addition, and also subtraction. So next part, we want to convert. We want to do the conversion, change to another base, from base 2 to base 10, or from base 3 to base 10. So the idea now is changing to base 10. Okay, a simple question here. Let's say you want to change from base 2 or any base which is less than 10. You want to change it to base 10 from a small number to a big number. So do you think we want to multiply or we need to divide from a small number to a big number? Usually the concept, if one change from small number to big number, we need to multiply, right? Times, correct. So if it's the balik, a big number to small number, then it will be divide. Okay, so that's the concept, small to big, multiply. Big to small, divide. Common sense only. Okay, so example here. Okay, example here, 11011 in base 2. So we got to read the digit value and place value here first. Okay, so let me write a number in base 8. Sorry, base 10 first. Should be base 10 first. Okay, base 10 first, yeah. So this is ones, place value tens. If it's digit value means 6, this is 50. So they have their own digit and place value. Okay, we learned before. Digit and place value. So in other base also same. If I write 11011 in base 2, so now let's look at the place value. Okay, place value. Since this is base 2, if you want to check on the place value, so you will start with 2 power to 0. Always start from 0. Then this is 2 power to 1, 2 power to 2, 2 power to 3, and this is 2 power to 4. So now we are looking at the place value. Yeah, we are looking at the place value. Then you will notice it will take the base with the power starting from 0 from the back. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is from the back. So now if you want to change it to base 10, we just need to use the digits in base to multiply with the base only. Okay, so meaning, so 1 times 2 power to 4 plus 1 times 2 power to 3 plus 0 times anything also 0 plus 1 times 2 power to 1 plus 1 times 2 powers to 0. So you managed to convert it into base 10. Okay, can you find for me what's the answer? Just can calculate on it. 1 times 2 power to 4 plus 1 times 2 power to 3. It's 27. It's 27 in base 10. Let's check. Yes, you got it. It's 27. All right. So if we have any number now, as long as we want to change it to base 10, we use the similar concept. From small to big, multiply. Okay. So what about this number? 4, 5, 6 in base 7. In base 7, so our idea now is to change to base 10. So what we do is, we drag, this is 7. So start from the back. 7 power to 0, 7 power to 1, 7 power to 2. So write in equation form, 4 times 7 power to 2 plus 5 times 7 plus 6 times 7 power to 0. So again, we total up, then we get the answer. So what do you get? $237. Yes, you got it. Base 10. Yeah. So you see base 10, usually we don't need to write the base. Okay, it's understood, it's base 10. Okay, just that simple. So the questions can be base 7, can be base 8. So any base which is smaller than 10, if you want to convert to base 10, multiply with it. Okay, so that's what we learned in chapter 2, base number. It's not complete yet, but already partial, half of it. It's not that difficult. Okay, so let's do a recap, a quick one. So under base number, so the base is right at the bottom. Yeah, it's written at the bottom. So if it's base 2, that means we only have 2 digits start from 0. So if it's base 2, you won't see 2. That's the idea. If it's base 2, you won't see 2. If it's base 3, you won't see 3. You won't see the digit 3. Okay. So next, if we want to find addition and subtraction, okay, addition and subtraction, remember, if we add, we cannot more than the base number. So we have to bring 1 up and then write the balance at the bottom. If it's minus pinjam, then what we get is the same as the base number. That's the subtraction. For conversion, okay, for conversion, small base to big base, we multiply. So when we multiply, we have to drag, okay, we have to drag the place value. Okay, we have to find out the place value. So start from the back, power to 0, and then move on to front. Okay, so in book text or reference book, you will see they give you the value, yeah, in this form, in table form, then only you total up. Is the similar idea. Okay, once you got this idea clear, you can straight away write the equation. Okay, you don't need the table form. Okay, you don't need the table form. You can just straight away write the working and find out the answer directly. It will be more simple. So far so good? Any questions in so far? No? Great. Okay, so we'll continue next session, base number. Okay, so we'll stop here first for today.